If the request is successful, you should receive an object containing a reference and the reference expiry date. If unsuccessful, you should receive an error response from the API. This is an object containing an error message, along with further details about the error. JudoPay's Transaction API Reference Documentation also contains information on the expected responses from the API calls. If the request was successful, extract the reference value from the response object. Store the payment session reference in your backend server. This payment session reference will be used later to populate the payment session parameter when calling the Web SDK's payment functions. If the request was not successful, handle the API error accordingly. For more information on the format of the API error responses, head to our Web SDK documentation and see the section Web SDK Error Responses. Here it describes the fields that make up the API error response object.